Have y'all met River? River, say hi to the people. Say, join my mom's honey hole challenge so she'll stop talking to me about it. Isn't that what you say, River Dog? Say, hit the link, drop your email address so that you can be in the honey hole challenge and you can be a real estate investor. That's my hair dropping in your face, isn't it? You'd look funny with a wig on like me, huh? Yeah. I'm trying to let y'all see River Dog. Oh, stretch. Y'all, join the free 5-day honey hole challenge so that I can help you get that passive income set up. So I can help you find that pocket of town where you can be a successful real estate investor. Get in the free 5-day challenge. Click that link wherever it is and drop your email address. It's totally free. I'm going to give you everything that you need for 5 days to take massive action to get those big old passive income checks. If you want to be a real estate investor, now's the time to get started. So join us. Click that link, drop your email address, and let's get started, ladies. Woohoo!